Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the device and isolating radios so your measurements are clean. First, confirm your device model and OS and enable developer access if required. Once ready, switch on flight mode. Make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth remain off unless you specifically need them. Next, launch the app or workflow you want to study and begin the action you need to capture so all generated data reflects strictly offline conditions. Once isolated, focus on collection. Enable verbose logging in the app and OS, then reproduce the exact steps you need to study. Make sure you record timestamps and take screenshots so events map to log entries. Use ADB or the OS Diagnostic Exporter to pull logcat, system, and app files. If you can't use ADB, export logs through the app share function. Rerun the scenario several times to confirm patterns and eliminate transient artifacts. Now analyze and export. Load the captured logs into your analysis tool and filter by the timestamps you recorded to focus on the run you need. Compare these offline sessions to baseline online behavior to spot differences caused by flight mode. Save exports with clear file names and include device metadata. If you see missing data, enable higher verbosity, confirm app logging permissions, or repeat the capture in developer mode. This single troubleshooting tip usually resolves absent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.